This is Penny with Penny's Infinite Jewelry. And the last blue box that I showed, we didn't get finished looking at it. So we're going to finish that first. There was some knotted up pieces in the bottom, and I didn't want to have to sit there and unknot them. But the necklace with the little kid charm is 10 karat gold. So I found the gold. This is like modern day jewelry, gold and silver digging, treasure hunt. This one of these are broke, but this is a green necklace with a bunch of strands. And I don't know if I took that strand off. I don't think you would miss it. So it's got these little metal things. This is from the last blue box. This is just a rubber bracelet with a charm. All of this I'm going to have to check because see, it's got stuff written on it. I don't have can't find my loop right now. Lose my head if I didn't have it attached. That's pretty. I think about that George Strait song. Lost his saddle in Houston. Broke his leg in Santa Fe. I lose my loop and my magnet all the day. That's beautiful. Look at the different, how the whatever silver or gold, it's gold, is like got parts where it's kind of just been smushed. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, here's another necklace. Here's another necklace. I'm doing all these videos in one day because I want to find more gold. And I'm not sure that I can wait. And I'm not going to do it without you, but I'm not sure that I can wait to go gold digging. Gold digging. We need our own reality show on TLC called The Gold Diggers. And it's for the 21st century. Gold digging for the 21st century. Look at that. So I'm going to make a blog. And I need somebody to come up with the name. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of like a, I don't know. It's pretty. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And I'm just dropping them in this box because I'm dying to open up the next. This has got a little tag on it, a hang tag. And I can't see it. Can't see it. Cannot see it. So we don't know if these are silver and gold. It does not stick. We'll have to check. I'll be spending the rest of the night checking. I haven't even checked the last couple boxes that I've gotten from Macari. I still have 3 pounds of, this is paparazzi. Still have 3 pounds of earrings coming in. And 9 pounds of jewelry, which I have no idea. No idea what it is. Kept asking the girl what's in there. And she said, well, it's already bagged. I have absolutely no idea what's going to come in that 9-pound bag I paid $40-some for. This is a necklace. But what am I going to do with that gold necklace? I'm probably going to take it down to the jeweler and see if I can get enough money to buy my blue boxes tomorrow night. I do have a question for those that buy these blue boxes. We're only limited to 2. Are you allowed to buy 2 of the repurposed boxes and then 2 of the sets where it's a repurposed box and clothing? Are we allowed to buy? That's kind of cool. I probably will sell that because it's almost like a, I don't know, it's just really cool. Rope. Are we allowed to buy the 2 bundles, which is the clothing and the blue box, and 2 blue boxes? Item number, and it's got a number, and it says purple. It's purple and silver. And you know what all this stuff comes from? It's got something written right here on it too. On the, can't see it. Wish that would let us see it better. This stuff comes from people that's donated items to the Goodwills. And then they make these, they don't sell jewelry in very many Goodwills anymore. That's got like the double. And what these are is, you know, you get those shirts that's got the holes attached like that. And you're supposed to take your jewelry off before you take a bath. But they're like connected. I mean, before you take the jewelry off before you wash your shirt, not take a bath. Okay, so hopefully you'll take your shirt off before you get a bath. But that's when you see these 2, that's what it is. It has been connected to a shirt If I'm wrong or you have any more ideas, just let me know. This is cute. It's a chain charm necklace with eyeglasses, a soccer ball, body to shop, a skate, and a turtle. I skate and a turtle. And I'm getting 50, and it seems like I have to think through my words, if that makes any sense. It's like I have to think through my words. Anytime I see a flat connector like that, it reminds me of gold. And I don't know why, but... And this is looks like decorative pieces right there. And this is another necklace. All these were necklaces that were all tangled up. And this is modern day gold diggers. I'm trying to think of a good name. This is another one like that. It's where they snap on your shirt. Even if you wanted to, you didn't want to wear them around your neck, or you have an irritated neck, you could actually go through and put those little tags on all of your shirts, and then you wouldn't have to put it around your neck. Because some people can't wear them around their neck, or their neck's too big. This has something written on it right there. Cannot make it out. That's a silver. See, little beads all on it. Silver necklace. But if I can go get money from that one necklace, it'll help me supply my habit. My habit is jewelry. What's your habit? Is your habit jewelry too? I'm like so addicted to these blue boxes that it isn't even funny. This is beautiful. It's Jesus on the cross. Jesus on the cross. And there's something written right back there too. Right there too. If he was gold, I could sell that. Sell Jesus. No, I'm not going to sell my Jesus. But I could sell him, and aren't those pretty? Dingle, 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 dingle. And buy me another blue box. These feel heavy. Pearls have got weight to them. And this is, if you know what this is, Marvello. Marvello. I don't know if that's an antique name, a vintage name, if they make just pearls. And they say to look right here. And if there's a little hole right there, and if there's a lot of peeling back, then they're not pearls. And then you're supposed to see if there's any creases, like it's been molded, like a molding area. Molding area. This is pretty. When I was untangling them, I thought this was just so pretty. Because it's almost two different necklaces, but in one necklace. See it? I'm going to put it up really close so you can see. Isn't that cool? One necklace, but two necklaces. Okay, this is earrings and a necklace to match. This was my first blue box. We have not opened the second part yet, and I am biting at the bit to see what's in the other one. This here is a necklace. It's got something on it, but it comes off. It wipes off. Made out of little white beads. And that almost feels like a shell. I would say that's a shell right there. That's neat. I would love to make jewelry, but it would take away from me selling. Here's another one. No, that's not it. I thought it was one of those other necklaces. Just has the tassels on the bottom. But that's this necklace. And I may stop the video at 10 minutes just so we can open the other box in the next one. But I wanted to just come on here and finish showing you the blue box from Nashville, Tennessee, which I think is the most amazing box that I have ever gotten. Those necklaces were great. And I did find the little stones that go to the one white bracelet that we had found that was missing. But I did get a lot of, these are all the earrings that need mates. I put them all in here. And I'll take a picture, put them over there on my Facebook jewelry group. And please come over there and chat and share your knowledge with us. All right, but I'm going to go for now from that. I just wanted to finish off that Nashville box. And I have another one. Because I'm thinking, if this one's the way that one was, we're going to get halfway through that one and have to do another video. So let's just finish that one off and start another one. But this is Penny. I used to say Penny Keeping It Real. That was my last YouTube channel I had. I changed it because I started a new one. Because years ago, I had a television talk show. And I produced it here in my town. And then I sent the tapes in, and it showed in top of Florida and Georgia. And my friend worked in Jacksonville. She used to work for TBN. My kid's coming out. She used to work for TBN, and then she started her own network. And so she knew me. I met her through ministry, and she wanted me to do my own talk show. So it's called Penny Keeping It Real. And if you go over there, you can see me with parts of the talk show because she couldn't figure out how to take those off from Harvest Ministries. And so when I started a YouTube channel about reselling, people were seeing me ministering and preaching before they got to know that I was a reseller. And I don't know. I just wanted to start all clean. But if you want to go see some videos over there, it's about reselling. And there's some from Harvest Ministries. But I named this one Penny's Infinite Jewelry because I absolutely love jewelry. I got a funny story. From the time I got my first jewelry jar, I was hooked. But we had a hurricane coming, a really bad hurricane in our town. And I went and stayed. My daughter was a third grade teacher. And we went and stayed in her room. And the only thing I brought was my jewelry. I had like 2 totes of jewelry. I said, I don't care. We've already lost a home to a hurricane before. We lost everything, me and my husband. And I can tell you stories and stories about different things. But one of the Buccaneers furnished my whole house once we got a new home. But anyhow, that's a story for another time. But this is Penny's Infinite Jewelry. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching and commenting. And it is I just want to build a really safe community here that we can all talk about what we love. This is Penny.